Hi! In front of me is Honor 50 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to choose Apps over here and click on Permission Manager. Following that, select one of your device's features like Location and pick one of your apps, like for example Maps. Now select one of those options for this app. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, ask over time, or don't allow. I will go with allow all the time, so now when I go back, as you can see, Maps just gained access to this device location. But you can always just tap on one of your apps and select See all Maps permissions. Then manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!